Hi and hello to all. This side Priya Rana, and this is the third lecture of logistics. In my previous presentation, we have learned about the functions of logistics, and now we are going to do the difference of supply chain management and logistic first of all. Now, if I talk about the meaning of logistics, basically the meaning of logistics says that it is a movement of goods in and out in the organization. It is a movement of goods in and out in the organization. And if I talk about the supply chain management is much more than logistics. All the logistic activities comes under supply chain management, but much more activities are to be included in supply chain management. So those supply chain activities may be customer relationship management, customer service management, order fulfillment, manufacturing flow management, procurement, sourcing, inbound logistics, outbound logistics, distribution, customer service, and many other services. Okay, the objective of logistics is customer satisfaction, but the objective of supply chain management is to get the best competitive advantages among the different competitors who are sitting in the market. Next is logistic concept. It is a old concept. Earlier we do only three activities, that is inbound material handling and outbound logistics, but now if I talk about supply chain management, it include much more things like customer satisfaction. There is a different department for customer grievances. So supply chain management, basically it is a modern concept and it includes much more than logistics, and it has a wider horizon than logistics. Logistics, if I say how many firms are involved in logistics, only one firm is involved in logistics. The reason being, the logistics of every company is different. So from the raw material to the end consumers, all the activities of a single firm comes under logistics. But when I talk about supply chain management, there are multiple firms which are involved in supply chain management. They have their network. Next is importance of logistics. First of all, effectively coordinated logistic lead to positive business results. How? If I say that logistic, see this line, it is used to plan and coordinate the movement of products timely and safely effectively, because now your customers are not from neighbors or local friends. Now your customers are across the globe. So for that, in order to do this, smart business higher experienced professionals are used to do the logistic activities. Okay, so what we have learned in this is that logistic leads to positive business results. How positive business results? By making timely and safely and effectively movement of goods, first of all, and second of all, by recruiting experienced professional in all the business activities, or I say that in all the logistic activities. Next, logistic helps business create value. In creating value, I just don't refer to the quality and quantity. This line, I just don't refer to the quality and quantity, I refer to the availability. That means your product should be available in the market. That's how the wise business leaders consider it very important tool in creating value to customers. Okay, next, logistic help in reducing cost and improves efficiency. How logistic helps in reducing cost? See, if you are working with highly professional people who are reliable logistic companies, so if you are working with them, then there is a scope to reduce cost and improve your efficiency. This is how logistic help in reducing cost and improve efficiency, by recruiting the experienced person or professionals in logistic activities. That's how you can reduce the cost. Next is logistic helps in delivering your product at the right place timely. See, the basic function of logistic, the basic objective of logistic is to place the right thing at right time, at right place, at right condition. These are the basic objective of logistics, so we have to fulfill these objectives. See, it is written that customer nowadays are more likely to impulse shop using a smartphone and be equally as impatient about receiving the order. So we can take our own example. If we have ordered a smartphone, we are so impatient that we want the product at the best possible time we get it. So this is the thing. So with smart professional organized logistics, we can able to we can able to answer such kind of short time requirements, I say. Okay, moving on to the next. Logistic is the key to success with supply chains. See, all the logistic activities are a part of supply chain. So logistic is a key to success with supply chain. Without effective and well organized logistics, supply chain can't help your business gain a clear advantage over the competition. Moving on to the next. Keep your customers satisfied, rely on experienced logistics professional. So this is very obvious that uh, if we have experienced logistic professionals in our company, then from that we can able to do more work, and we can able to get the effectiveness, the efficiency in our product, and due to that our customers get satisfied. So this is how we can relate the customer satisfaction with the logistic professionals. So if I conclude that logistic process, the concept of logistic, it comes from the military concept. Okay, there are various activities which are included in logistic, that is transportation, warehousing, customer service, demand forecasting, distribution, communication, inventory control, material handling, order processing, part and service support, plant and warehouse site selection, procurement. There are many other things which are associated with logistics. If I say logistic is a combination of three activities which we have already done, like inbound logistics, material handling, outbound logistics. Then next is logistic is a part of supply chain management, which is broader in content. That means supply chain management is broader term and logistics is just a part of it. Okay, there is need of logistic in firms and organization to help in easy processing of activities from raw material to finished goods. So there is a need of logistic in every firm for the easy processing of activities from raw material to the finished goods. So that's all from the logistic topics.